What's up, guys? Got a mod coming for the GLI today. Picked up this Momo here for 15 bucks at a thrift store. Wasn't a mod I was going to be planning on doing anytime soon, but hey, it's awesome. The paint actually matches the GLI almost perfectly. So it's also really cool to me because I have a matching Momo in the Corrado. So it's cool that I have the exact same wheels in both my cars, and I love the feeling and looks super dope. So sad to see the 3-spoke GLI wheel go because I love that steering wheel, but this is awesomer. So never did this before, but I'll show you guys what it's like along the way. So we'll see what happens. Catch you guys soon. Up, guys, I am super loving this Momo. It's out on a drive right now, and it's a little bit smaller, and it just fits your hands really good. So in the turns, it just feels great. So overall, the installation wasn't too bad. A little bit interesting time until I got the airbag off, because I wasn't quite sure what I was doing. If you guys have any specific questions, hit me up, and I'll be trying to explain them better, more specifically. Also, just one thing I think you guys should know on these 04, 05 GLIs. Even though the kit does include a resistor for the airbag, you also kick on the traction control. So with the kit hooked up, there is no airbag light, which is awesome. The traction control is disabled, which who cares? So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Just super happy with this, and if you're thinking about it, go for it because it looks sweet and feels great.